Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kenang ban pentelon ki Pynroi haborok kawai ke jela, kelem kono ke Jingmut. Henin kasni ke pratarik ujemang, ke sarkar jela hapo ke Jingilam jong Myntri Rangbah ke jela, ukon rat ke sangma, kalayo banyak pelio Jingmut, bat ki shipongot ki Deputy Commissioner jong ki District Baper jong ke jela, Lyngba ke video conferencing ke bala pelong hapo Main Secretariat Shillong. Habai keren berkilat patai kubor, Myntri Rangbah ke jela, ukon rat ki sangma, ulai to bak sarkar klasim ni ke senjam, kenang ban pentelon ki Pynroi, syaborok ki paitba ki bahap hapo ke jela, kelem kono ke jing pensateng. Kabau layo ro banya selok lang bat ki Deputy Commissioner ke jela, Lyngba ke juk start internet ke bamenta, kata ke video conferencing.
Today's meeting was specifically related to the program where we're going to have all the ministers going to the respective districts. The program is going to start from this quarter itself. We have already informed the DCs who's going where. At the same time, we just reviewed about the impact of the hailstorm and other cyclone. So we took review from East Carvils also because there was another cyclone yesterday. So we just reviewed whether the schemes have been implemented and beneficiaries have got the funds or not. So all those reviews took place today. It was the first meeting, and as I said, as we go on, we'll continue with other meetings. I've been very clear. In fact, yesterday some of the people from West Khasi's had come to me. I had told them that we are here to ensure that delivery mechanism improves. We're trying to get officers and trying to give them bigger roles to play. If you're aware that one DC from one of the districts was brought in from the district and brought into finance, personnel and CM office, because there's a bigger role and the inputs and the work of those officers is required here at the state level and secretariat. So that was the whole idea. So I think there was some misunderstanding. I mean, of course, they feel that they're losing out a good officer, but I told them that we should not be selfish and we should think about the state as a whole. I think the services of good officers are required at the secretariat level also, and there's some good programs where we need good people. He has done this plastic road project. I would like him to implement it throughout the state. Why just West Khasi Hills? So therefore, I understand there's West Khasi Hills people, wanted him to stay. But as I said, there are some pressures in the sense that we need to move in the implementation of projects fast. So we want to ensure that good officers come.